you can use this vacation, you can use this holiday for you to have the time to actually do it. So instead of taking a vacation, instead of going out first, if you're at the season of your life that you don't have a skill yet that will allow you to make money, or you don't have enough assets that will make your money work hard for you, use vacations like this as a way for you to learn. Use vacations like this as a time for you to earn, and use vacations like this for you to build your skill. Hey guys, so it's another holiday again today in Manila. So here's the thing, here's the narrative. What you do on your spare time, what you do on your vacation time will dictate how rich you will be in the future. My suggestion is this: on holidays, take this free time to do your hustle. Take this free time to earn more or learn more. Please remember, first things first, if you don't know what business you want to start yet, you don't know what investment you want to actually start, it means that probably you're not ready yet. Why? When you already know what business to start, when you already know what investment you want to put your money into, it actually means that you're actually ready. So if you're asking yourself, what business do I start? I don't know what to start yet, I don't know what to do, it means that you need to spend the time to learn what you're supposed to do with your money. So use this time, use this holiday, use this opportunity in order for you to learn, to get the knowledge. And as you get the knowledge, you start practicing, you start executing. Now, what I did when I was starting out was I used opportunities like this. I used holidays as a chance for me to attend seminars, trainings, read books, meet people who are smarter than me, ask a lot of questions. Then after that, I would now implement it. I would find either the next holiday, the next vacation time, and use that also as a way for me to implement those new learnings. Why? Because anything that you learn but you don't use, you don't activate, you don't execute, just stays with you. As it stays with you, it really doesn't benefit you, it really doesn't help you, it doesn't really make you earn money, doesn't really also help you make the skills. So please remember, what will make you rich is you start building the right skills, you start building the right knowledge, but the knowledge will, as you start using it, converts into skill. Now as you start doing it, and as you get better at it, as you get better at it, you do it over and over and over again, it will come to a point where that skill, people will be willing to pay you for it, and that's where you make money. You make money when you have a skill, that's something that you're so good that people will pay you no matter how high it is. So you have to find that. The only way you find that is as you start doing it, as you start executing, as you start practicing, and as you start trying it over and over and over again. But you will never know it if you don't try it. You will never know it if you don't execute. And here's the thing, that's why you use holidays, you use opportunities like this. If you're too busy with your work, you can use this vacation, you can use this holiday for you to have the time to actually do it. So instead of taking a vacation, instead of going out first, if you're at the season of your life that you don't have a skill yet that will allow you to make money, or you don't have enough assets that will make your money work hard for you, use vacations like this as a way for you to learn. Use vacations like this as a time for you to earn, and use vacations like this for you to build your skill. Please remember, what you do in your spare time will dictate how rich you will be someday. Please remember that the more you hustle, as you start doing stuff early on, that's when you have the ability to get rich later on. That's when you have the ability to grow wealth. If you do what the 1% are doing, you will end up like the 1%, meaning you will end up living a life that's something different. But if you do what everyone else is doing, enjoying, nothing bad with enjoying, but if at the point and the season of your life that you are enjoying at the expense of your future, then that's when it becomes relatively wrong. What I'm saying is this: hustle so hard when you're starting. As you start building assets, as you start making more money, that's when you start enjoying and doing the things that you want as well. So there, this is not connected to the stock market, but this is more connected to you building a stockpile of wealth for the long term. And that's what I wanted. The reason why I create these videos is I want to see a framework of more and more Filipinos reaching their dreams of financial freedom. That can be done, that it's not dependent on how big you start, it's not dependent also on how rich your family is, it's dependent on what you do today, what matters today, what you do with the money that you have and what you do with the time you have right now will determine how big you will be in the future. So there, that's it for now. Marvin Germo, still here in Singapore. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye. Expect in the lost world. Will we get lost?
No,
Not lost?
no.
Not at all.